What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenly Era, and I am back with another video. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be talking about Curology, and I'm going to show you all my skincare routine. I posted a video, I think last year, about how I was suffering with acne. I don't know what happened. I mean, growing up, when I hit that puberty phase, you know, I had acne. So it's been an ongoing thing with me. But last year, I don't know what was up with my skin, but it was on level 10. And I've tried so many different products to fix what was going on with me. Still to this day, I'm not really sure exactly what happened. To start, I started using CeraVe products. That is a good line of skincare products that really worked well for me and got me started on my skincare journey. But after doing a lot of research and buckling down and finding something a little bit stronger that would really work for me, I started using Curology. And this is, y'all, this is the best thing that has happened to my skin, hands down. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. This is the real truth. And to show you all what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you the pictures that I actually uploaded to Curology, to my online dermatologist. Here you go. Y'all, like, you see what I mean? Just a little briefing. I know if you're watching this video, I'm not sure if you're new to the, you know, what Curology is, but you might be. But I know me, I watched so many YouTube videos about Curology to see if I wanted to try it. So basically with Curology, you go on, you make an account. You can get a free trial. They send you something like a small kit for free that you can try out. I think it lasts for 1 month. All you do is pay like $6, $7 for shipping. First, you go online. When you're creating your account, you tell them your problem areas and you upload pictures of your skin so your online dermatologist can see exactly what to prescribe you with. And those are my pictures that I uploaded. As you can see, those pictures were terrible. So I uploaded those. I got my sample. I used it. I saw a difference and I was like, oh, let me just continue this. One of my bad habits that I had, I used to use a product and when it breaks me out or if I feel like it's doing too much, I would completely just stop using it. And that is not what you're supposed to do. Let me start by saying your skin is going to break out. They call it purging. Just getting all of the bad stuff out of your skin. That's going to happen. So if you get this and it happens, don't worry. This is what it's supposed to happen, and it will get better. Trust me. Trust me. Okay. So basically, when I started my monthly trial, I get my cleanser, my moisturizer, and my ointment, my prescribed ointment that's made custom for me. That's the package that I get every month. I did not know that they had a body wash, so I'm looking to get that next in my next monthly trial because I tend to break out on my chest. You probably can see it. Don't know why. This is my cleanser here. Nice size bottle. I have my ointment that's specifically prescribed for me. So on the back it has my name right here and it tells me everything that's in my ointment. And lastly, this is the moisturizer. So you're supposed to do your skin routine twice a day. During the day, use your cleanser and your moisturizer only. You only use your prescribed ointment at night. And now that it's nighttime, that is what I'm going to do. I waited to show y'all my nighttime routine only because I was using this as well. And again, you guys, this is the best thing that ever happened to me. I used to be so insecure about my skin. Didn't want to go anywhere. And you really can't put makeup over it. I mean, you can, but that's just defeating the purpose of getting your skin better. You know what I'm saying? So I did not like looking at myself in the mirror. It was really bad. And my back itching. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get right into my regimen. I just do this literally day and night by themselves, unless I have like whatever here and there. So let's get started. Alright, so as stated, we're going to start with the cleanser. Now this cleanser I'm not really a huge fan of. I just use it because it's a 3-step process, but this is not my best, this is not my favorite cleanser. And this is because it does not lather enough for me. It's very thin and very weird. But I haven't really did any research on finding another cleanser that's close to this, because I'm being very careful about what I put on my face. Like, I don't play them games no more at all. With the cleanser, I don't know if you're really supposed to use this much. I do, only because, like I said, it doesn't lather a lot. So I use about this much. I just run my hand under the water a little bit, and you see what I mean? It's not, you can't really tell. You can't even tell that it's anything on my hands. This is what I don't like about it. So just put it on my face. And also make sure that you get your neck. Alright, so I just rinse my face. Now this is much easier if you don't wear lashes that you can't take off. Alright, so I don't use a towel or rag or anything on my face unless I'm in a hurry. I normally just let my face air dry. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to take my prescribed ointment. I normally just use one full pump, and for some reason, I don't know why, but I create this pattern on my face just to make sure that it's evenly distributed on my face. So I do that, and I rub it in all over. Lastly, it's the moisturizer. With this, I use about this much. Can you see? Yeah, I use about that much, and I do the same pattern on my face and my neck. I do tend to get acne on my neck as well, so that's why I use it. But you're supposed to do, when you do your skincare, you're supposed to apply it to your neck as well. But everybody don't know that. Now I must say I do love this moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer. Like, it just makes me feel fresh. And we are, focus on me, focus on me. I'll give y'all a close-up on my face. Don't look at my eyebrows. I know I gotta get them done, but my brow artist closed her shop for a minute again, so she'll be open soon. So don't talk about me. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Focus on the skin. But yeah, y'all, this is what I do. Certain nights I do a little bit more, like a face mask or something that goes under my eyes, because as y'all can see, I am getting dark circles. I don't really sleep. My sleeping pattern is way off. And I work at a computer at my 9 to 5 and with my own business. I'm always in front of a computer screen. So I'm still learning how to get rid of this. Comment down below if you have some suggestions, because I'm here for it. I'm here for it all. I freaking love Curology. I am so freaking thankful that I found something that really works with my skin. Like I said, my self-confidence was beneath me. Again, this video was not sponsored. This is my honest opinion. I really do believe that you should try it if you're suffering with acne and you try so many different things. If you have any questions that you would like to ask me, just comment down below or DM me on my social media accounts. My Instagram is HeavenlyErra. My Facebook is HeavenlyErra. Everything is HeavenlyErra. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about Curology. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I post my next video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching my video. I'll see you again in my next one with clear skin.